Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do this little crown braid right here. I posted this on Instagram and you ladies seem to like it. It's super easy. I'm also cheating a little bit because I'm going to be using some hair extensions. It's a lot simpler than you think. So keep on watching. Alright, so first I'm going to start by putting in my hair extensions. I do already have a video, which I'll link below, on how I put these in, but I'm going to do an updated one so that way you guys can see how I now put them in, because you know, I feel like things change and people change, techniques change, all that good stuff. You're gonna need a little clippy like this, and you're gonna need like a little teasing comb. You're gonna want like 2 teasing combs, like a thick one and a little one. Bobby pins, and also some little hair ties. I like these little black ones. You can get them anywhere, Target, anywhere you want. Okay, so first I'm gonna start by parting my hair kind of wherever you want it. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna just do like a little bit of a middle part right here. So you see that? I'm going to put my hair extensions in. So you don't really have to. I'm just going to because I feel like it. But how I like to do it, if I'm in a rush and I gotta be somewhere, which is like always, then what I do is I basically take my hair and I part it from where my ear is all the way across, and I'm just gonna take this one section right here and I'm gonna tease it. So I'm gonna take a bunch. I also usually would spray it with some product, but because I have really dirty hair right now, I'm not going to because there's no need for it. Okay, the other thing I do is I literally take, this is my 4-pronged one, I'm gonna just clip that in, starting on one end and go all the way around. And the teasing just helps create a nice base for you to be able to clip this in. So now this one is, these are actually 2 sets, 2 wefts. So there's one here and I clipped it onto the next one. And that just helps me move along a little faster. And I'm literally going above the 4-pronged one because I just need to save some time. So do you see how fast that was and easy? So you see, this is what the hair looks like. Obviously right now, my hair is a lot shorter than this, but once I curl everything, it will be seamlessly blended in. Now that you have the parting done, and there's a reason why I don't like to go put my extensions up too high, especially in the back crown area, and that's mainly because I like to tease a little bit, and so I notice that if I don't, sometimes what happens is my hair will just fall flat, and so to prevent me running into any issues, I usually just leave this part alone and don't put any extensions there. So you can just tease the crown a little bit if you need. Again, I have not washed my hair in quite some time, so it's not that fun to work with right now. Okay, and then what we're going to do, this is the part that makes it very easy. You see this? I just took 2 of the 2-pronged wefts and I'm going to snap them together, and it's going to make one long thing here. I'm just going to braid this, okay? So you can braid it, you can fishtail it, you can do whatever you want to it. Let's see how I can do this. I'm gonna get a little crafty and I'm going to put it under here and just to anchor it down, and then I'm gonna braid it. You see that? That's what I'm gonna do. All right, so that is the braid right there. That is all you're really going to do. I just found that this works a little easier. I've definitely braided my own hair before. I just really like the way that this was so easy. And you're just gonna leave out some hairs, and you're gonna take this part right here. You're gonna fold that, and you're going to clip it, bobby pin it like right under the base of that first part. And you're gonna wanna take some bobby pins. Bigger, the better. I only have small ones right now because that's how I roll. When I need something, I can never find it. You're just gonna secure this under your head. I'd say like 3 or 4 should do. All right, and then this hair is going to cover that. And then on this side, you'll take and do the same exact thing. And that is it. you can curl it, and you're pretty much done. So I'm gonna get to curling right now. I'm using this brand new Neuro angle wand from Paul & Mitchell. It's pretty awesome. Look at the glove it comes with. It's pretty, I've yet to figure out what I'm doing here, but I'm assuming you do it like this because you can angle it however you want. I mean, what? Cool. What I like to do is 1, 2, leave a good amount out, and then pull, so it kind of just leaves like a nice little wave. Also, the glove is on the wrong hand. This should be on the hand that is actually holding the curls. Not very smart. I am an idiot. Okay, bear with me, people, bear with me. Not bad, that thing curls really well. You can just fluff this out or spread it out if you want. Break this apart a little bit. Just make sure you don't pull too hard so it doesn't pull on the bobby pins that you have securing it. And then let me just get this side. Let's angle this a little bit just to see how well it works. Wow, this thing really curls fast. I've been loving this Amika texture spray. I just go throughout the hair and spray it a little bit. And you can take like a wide tooth big comb and kind of just, you know, fluff it up a little bit. Kind of make it work with you, depending on whatever look you're going for. I'm going for kind of that messy, cute, you know, very 70-ish vibe. Let me just tease a little bit more here. And that is about it, people. That is it. This is how I cheat this little headband look. You know, if you don't have enough hair, you got some extensions laying around, you're like, what do I do with them? How do I work them? Pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. Please let me know if there's anything else that you guys would like to see from me, and you guys know the drill. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.